hair-like things.
Great. So ScienceScope really engaged all of our students here at Wilkinson from grade 3 through 5. They got to see all kinds of experiments that maybe they wouldn't get to see in the regular classroom. As a 5th grade science teacher, I give it 2 thumbs up.
Volunteer. Throw on the braids right here.
Have more air than
I'm going to cut these little knots. Go. Keep on going. One more time. One more time. Stop. Stop.
ScienceScope helped reinforce concepts that my students may not have gotten in class with visuals, and they got to take part in the learning. They were so excited and they were hooked on Miss Kim's every word. ScienceScope helps reinforce state standards. You can tell them what your students are learning and they can develop a program specifically suited to your needs.
ScienceScope is fun because we learned about H2O and we also get to act.
We get to learn about gravity and how the air from a blow dryer and a leaf blower are different.
ScienceScope is awesome because you get to learn what scientists do in their meantime.